5 mini circular saws, 5 very different strengths, and 1 clear winner. Stay to the end because the top 2 are close, but they suit different kinds of work. In 5th place is the Makita. It is the smallest and most beginner-friendly option here, and it comes as a complete kit with 2 batteries, a charger, a blade, and a case. In daily use, that low weight matters. It is easy to guide across plywood, paneling, laminate, or drywall, and the built-in dust blower helps keep the cut line visible. Compared with the larger saws, it feels less tiring and easier to control in tight spaces. But the limits are clear. The one in cutting depth cannot handle nominal 2x lumber in one pass, and 1,500 revolutions per minute is much slower than the other models. So, this is not the saw I would choose for fast, demanding cuts or thicker stock. Choose it for light renovation work, sheet materials, and smaller projects where control matters more than raw power. If you need more material versatility, the next model is much more flexible. Links to all products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. Fourth place goes to the Dremel, and this one is different from the rest. It is not just a small wood saw. It can cut wood, plastic, metal, tile, and masonry, and it can also handle flush cuts and surface preparation jobs. That versatility is its biggest advantage. Imagine trimming a board, cutting a metal piece, and removing old thinset with one compact tool. None of the other saws in this ranking covers that range, and the auxiliary handle also gives you more control. But there is a problem. The maximum cutting depth is only 3/4 of an inch, and there is no bevel adjustment. The power is there, but the wheel size limits what you can cut. It is also corded, so movement depends on where the nearest outlet is. This is a smart choice for repair work, mixed materials, and jobs where flush cutting matters. For deeper cuts in lumber, though, the Rockwell is the more practical step up. And if this comparison is helping, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In 3rd place is the Rockwell. It has the deepest 90-degree cutting capacity in the group, so it can cut nominal 2x lumber in one pass without needing a full-size circular saw. The left side blade gives a clear view of the cut line, while the included parallel guide helps with straight rip cuts. You also get a vacuum adapter and a long 10-foot cord. Compared with the Makita and Dremel, this feels much more like a true compact framing and lumber saw. The trade-off is portability. The cord can get in the way, and the saw has no electronic brake or built-in work light. At 5 pounds, it is also noticeably heavier than the Makita and Works. Pick the Rockwell when you want deep cuts and steady power without managing batteries. But if you want similar capability in a much lighter cordless package, the next saw is more convenient. Second place goes to the Works, and its biggest strength is the power-to-weight balance. It weighs only 3.5 pounds without a battery, yet it can still cut nominal 2x lumber at 90 degrees. The brushless motor, high blade speed, LED work light, left side blade, dust port, and electronic brake make it feel modern and easy to use. Compared with the Rockwell, you lose a little cutting depth, but you gain cordless freedom and much easier handling. The main drawback is that this version does not include a battery or charger. And because it is designed mainly for one-handed use, it does not feel as planted as a saw with a proper auxiliary handle when the cut gets demanding. This is the best choice for someone who values low weight, fast cuts, and portability. But for better two-handed control and a stronger overall safety package, the top-ranked saw has the edge. In 1st place is the DeWalt. It offers the strongest overall balance of cutting depth, control, safety, and cordless convenience. The removable auxiliary handle is a major advantage because it gives you a more secure two-handed grip. You also get an electronic brake, a left side blade, a dust port, a rip fence, and a hang hook. Compared with the Works, it is heavier, but it feels more stable and better suited to repeated job site cuts. The weight is the main compromise. At 5.5 pounds without a battery, it is the heaviest model here, and the battery and charger are sold separately. It also has no built-in work light, which is surprising at this level. Choose the DeWalt if you want the most complete all-around mini circular saw for wood, especially when control and safety matter more than minimum weight. For frequent use, this is the model I would trust first. Check the top-ranked saws through the links in the description below the video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical product comparisons.